Catalonia and Barcelona are known for their creativity, their cultural richness, and especially for their architecture. It is a fundamental part of their culture and of their international reputation. Thanks to some exceptional schools of architecture, Catalan architects know how to bring together tradition and innovation, technical rigor and artistic expression. Right now, we are going to see the vision of the architect partners ARRIOLA and FIOL, a studio that brings together urban development and the landscape in an integration of architectural design. They state that their work can be sustainable and environmentally friendly while still following artistic criteria. Their slogan is that the infrastructure and the landscape are integrated. They complement rather than oppose each other.
ARRIOLA FIOL, we are a specialist in making urban civic projects.
Among other awards, the ARRIOLA and FIOL studio has received first prize for the Parc de la Villette in Paris, France in 1982, and first prize in La Rose de Cherbourg competition also in Paris, in the business area of the city in 2013, and also the Vienna Wagenstrasse Prize awarded in 2014.
ARRIOLA FIOL is a firm based in Barcelona, formed by two partners, Andreu Arriola and Carmen Fiol, it's me, and we are very rooted in the city of Barcelona, but we are an international studio. We have been the protagonist of the changing of the city from the 80s, when the city was very much decayed, and we participated directly in the renovation of the squares, the amenities, all the public realm of the city. Our main characteristics is to connect architecture with the public realm, the tectonic of the materials used in a very innovative way. We merge art, landscape and urban design into our architecture. Our work is based on our academic experience, the School of Architecture of Barcelona and the School of Architecture at Columbia. The main professors there have been Rafael Moneo, Oriol Bohigas and Manuel Solà Morales, and Kenneth Frampton and Peter Eisman at Columbia. These two experiences have been melded in our work, the Mediterranean and the Anglo-Saxon.
Urrutia Tower, located in the central park of Nou Barris in Barcelona, it's an interesting attempt to develop a sustainable building under the typology of a high-rise building, which is apparently contradictory. We believe that a smaller footprint of a high-rise building it's more sustainable in its impact to the ground. Also, the materiality of the building comes out from the ground itself using the terracotta, the brick, which fusions with the blue polycarbonate that falls down from the sky. The building was awarded in the International Symposium for Sustainable Building, which took place in Melbourne in 2008. Other public buildings we feel proud of them are the School of Music of Catalonia, the Museum of Music of Barcelona, and the Roman Bath Museum in Sant Boi. That last one deals with archaeology, which is another input that we use in the Fossar de les Moreres, which is also an interesting project. I want to underline Gran Via de Llevant as a project where we deal with infrastructure and the public space. We believe that the architecture is integrated all over these changing scales. So there is no difference between indoor and outdoor, between architecture and landscape or public space.
ARRIOLA and FIOL have helped to improve and transform Barcelona's urban landscape and that of other European cities like Paris and Vienna, making them more habitable and sustainable. They have achieved their maximum expression. Their designs are naturally integrated into the landscape as if they had always been there.